loves, it's me Destiny, and today I'm back with a video on how to crochet your locks. And so with the crochet method, you can use it to maintain, to add, to start, or to just repair your locks. So it's a really cool method to know how to do. So I'm just gonna jump right into it because I have limited space on my phone. So first things first, you're gonna need a crochet needle, and the size that I use is a 1.30 millimeter, and that's what the little end looks like. But for today, I'm going to be using this one that the handle broke off on. It's the same exact size. It's just, I like this one better. So other thing to note, please do not crochet on bone dry hair. Make sure you moisturize your hair like a day before, or the same day, or maybe 3 days before. But don't do it on bone dry hair. You'll break your hair off. And also don't do it on wet hair. The same thing will happen. Okay, so just gonna jump right into this. So we're gonna start with this one. Let me just unravel my retwist, make it all messy so you guys can see. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna gather the hair that you want, and you're just going to do a gentle twist, a little twist, just to make sure everything's together. That's all I did, was one little twist. Okay, then you're gonna take your needle, and I'm kind of whispering because like I'm real close to the speaker. You're gonna take your needle and you're going to go through your lock and pull halfway in. Go halfway in. Go halfway in. And the reason why you're doing that is because, see, when you pull all the way out, do you see the little hair? Yeah, that is the hair that you're trying to put in the middle of your lock. That's how locks are made. They lock in the center. So that's what you're trying to do. So that's why you only go halfway, just like this. Literally, that's crocheting. Okay, so what you're going to be doing with your hands or your fingers is you're going to be doing this. Crochet, crochet, release. Okay, gather that hair again. Crochet, crochet. Make sure you're crocheting the angles, and then release, because once you don't want to keep twisting it around till it gets crazy tight like that. You don't want to do that. That's why you do the whole release thing. And also when you're crocheting, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start doing it because that's basically how you do it. What I showed you guys, that's how you do it. So I'm gonna show you the results now. So basically, when you're crocheting, you can feel the hair start to almost like group up in your fingers, and that's a good sign. That's good. That's how you know, oh, okay, I pulled the hair in the center, it's doing what it needs to do. So you need to feel for the hair to become a little firm. Now it's not going to be rock hard like a 2-year-old lock or a 4-year-old lock. No, it's just going to be firm, a little firm. You'll be able to feel like what you have done. So far, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna crochet those little ends into here, but this is crocheted already. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little ends that I wanted to add in there, and I'm gonna go ahead. Oop. All right, and that's that. See? That is how you crochet your lock. I leave mine a little loose at the root so I can retwist it to make it like all clean and nice. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was so short. My phone is actually about to cut off right now. Love you guys.